My name is Mary-Ruth. I'm here for the summer course, Wilderness Technology and Creation, also known as the boat course. Tomorrow we're going to be setting sail really early, and for the next 7 days we're going to be rowing around the southern Gulf Islands with no showers, but hopefully, and I know it will be, lots of great discussions about what it means to be human in terms of how we view and use technology. Growing up in church especially, it always felt like there was always dissonance, because as much as I loved animals and I knew it was a passion of mine, and to no fault of theirs, but I felt like it was a distraction to the main task of saving souls that us Christians should be doing.
When Mary Magdalene saw Christ at dawn in the tomb-haunted grove, she thought he was the gardener, then saw he was the Christ. But still she was mistaken, not seeing that the flowers in the rock, the grass, the gnarled, deep-rooted olive trees, the rock itself were rooted in his flesh and nourished by his fresh shed blood.
It's been incredible so far, a humbling experience as well. Personally, Regent College has a huge reputation. First of all, my parents went there and they've never stopped talking about it all our lives. And we have, I know a few pastors and family friends who have gone to Regent and heard guest speakers through the Reframe series. And so the opportunity to be able to attend a Regent Summer School, it was a chance not to be missed.
For Christ was gardener of that place, that hid his workman's hands, the flowers in his flesh, lest the young church see Persephone or Gaia or only wild Pan, and not the God beyond the world, who made it for his flesh and ours, and tends in each new Adam the garden of his birth.